Welcome. In front of me I have Apple TV 4K, and today I will show you how you can make hard reset of this device. So the first you have to go for the settings, find system, next you have to scroll down and go for the reset. Right now we are able to choose one of the following options. If the update is available in your case, you will get the two options of the reset, so the normal reset and the update. I'm going only for the first one, so click OK if you want to confirm, and then just confirm another time. Right now you have to wait. And as you can see right now, the reset is complete and we can start with the first setup. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and of course subscribe to our channel.